coming into the cab to check out the HD11 gun mount. Puts your rifles, your shotguns right here, keeps them easily accessible, keeps them secure, has these butt stocks down here that keep the rifle, shotgun positioned well, and of course securely mounted up here to the top. Now, this still does allow clearance for your console to work here, and of course still flip back up. Now, one more thing to add on it, these two bolts here allow this center column to be easily removed, and then that way you can remove this piece, get it out of your way if you need to be able to have another passenger, not during the hunting season. But for something to keep your rifles and all secure and ready in position for you, check this out. Ready for your HD11, still fits and works well on this limited cab model. Want to find one of these for your ride? Check it out, thumperfab.com. Find a Thumper Fab dealer near you. Let's get ready to hunt.